Hello students, today we are going to learn how to install Wamp and how to run our first PHP program. Okay, so let us start. So first, download Wamp. I have already created one tutorial regarding how to install Wamp. So if you have not checked that, you can check that now. This Wamp is only available for Windows operating system, unlike the Zap. So this is a website. So let us go to that Wamp server website. Now go to download. So here carefully observe whether you want to install it for 64-bit or 32-bit. So since my system is 64-bit, I will use this 64-bit. Now actually what happens is that they ask you your details or like that. So if you don't want to fill this, you can just directly click here. Then click on download latest version. So download will start depending on your internet speed. So we have finished downloading Wamp server. Now let us install it. Just double click on it. So it will ask us permissions. Click on yes. Then select your English language. Then I accept the agreement. Next. You can read this information. Then next. Then default location of Wamp servers is C drive. So you can change it if you want to select another drive. I will just keep the default as it is. Then next. Then it will ask us which version of PHP you want. So basically we'll keep. See, they have already selected the latest one. So we'll go with the defaults. Then next. Then Wamp server shortcut. Next. So this will show us which PHP version and which MySQL version is installed. So just click on install. Now the installation has started. So this will take certain time. And after this, a shortcut will appear on your desktop, and then we will see how to run our first PHP program. Now it will ask us which web browser we want. So by default it uses iExplore, that is Internet Explorer. So I'm not going to choose this. So I will select, do you want to choose another browser installed on your system? Yes. So I will choose the Mozilla Firefox. So let us search for Mozilla Firefox. Firefox exe, open. Then it will ask us the default PHP editor. So do you want to choose another text editor? Yes. I want to select Notepad++. Finished. The installation. Now let us go to desktop. So here you can see shortcut of Wamp server is installed. So just click on this. Click yes. See, this icon appears here. Now it has turned local server. Now let us check whether our server was installed or not. So go to the Mozilla Firefox and enter here localhost. So see here, it is showing that Apache web server is running. Now we want to create one simple PHP file. So let us go to our PHP editor. I have selected this Notepad++, but you can select Notepad, Atom, Sublime Text, any other editor. So the syntax of this PHP starts with less than question mark PHP. Then say suppose I just want to display hello world. So I'll use this echo hello world, right? And at the end of this statement, I just have to give the semicolon. Then here this ends with question mark and greater than symbol. So here basically we have to save this file. So click on save as. Then if you have installed the Wamp server, just go to the Wamp directory on the C drive Wamp64, and here within the www folder. So say suppose here I will create one folder called as PHP lessons, right? And press enter, and here I'll save this file as hello world, and I'll create it as .php extension. Save this file. Now see here why I have selected Notepad++ because then syntax is highlighted, right? Now go to Firefox, and here after localhost type here the name of your directory and then the file name. So see here our hello world is displayed. So this is how PHP programs can be run using the Wamp server.